In the early 2000s, futurist and CEO of Google, Ray Kurzweil, made a bold prediction that the 21st century would witness not just a century's worth of progress, but the equivalent of 20,000 years of advancement. His essay, The Law of Accelerating Returns, captures the essence of the technological revolution that was already underway and its potential to profoundly reshape virtually every aspect of our lives, including the way we work. And it seems Kurzweil was right. Technology is rapidly transforming humanity at an unprecedented pace. Just think back to the tech stack you were using a few years ago. Nearly every aspect of your digital landscape has likely undergone a significant upgrade since then. Today, we will look at how technology is transforming careers and what the future holds for workers globally. The rise of hybrid work era and virtual workspaces. One of the biggest transformations experts predict in the future landscape of careers is the rise of hybrid work models and the integration of virtual spaces into our professional lives. According to Microsoft's Future of Work report, we are entering a new era in the landscape of work, the hybrid work era. Just as the rise of steel frame construction facilitated the birth of skyscrapers and the proliferation of automobiles enabled the expansion of suburban commuting, digital technologies are now shaping the contours of this hybrid work era. The rapid adoption of remote work during the COVID-19 pandemic, facilitated by cloud-based software, has demonstrated the viability and numerous benefits of working remotely. As a result, few organizations or employees are willing to return to a strictly office-bound model. One of the most significant challenges faced by remote workers has been a sense of isolation and the difficulty in fostering spontaneous collaboration and connections with colleagues. However, certain startups are addressing these issues through the development of virtual spaces tailored for every type of interaction. Once an organization establishes its digital headquarters, employees can virtually gather and work and socialize together in a shared digital environment. Employees can customize their virtual workspaces, move seamlessly between conversations with coworkers, attend meetings, and more. This technology facilitates real-time collaboration and connection, creating a sense of community similar to that of a traditional office setting, all while leveraging the convenience and flexibility of remote work. Moreover, these virtual spaces are highly accessible, as they do not necessitate the use of virtual reality headsets. As more and more remote teams experiment with virtual headquarters, in a few years from now, it will definitely become a trend in several companies. Beyond the virtual workspaces, the future of work is poised to embrace the boundless potential of the metaverse, a convergence of extended realities including virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. This immersive digital realm promises to simulate our three-dimensional world in a wholly virtual setting, enabling a new height of collaboration and interaction. Imagine donning a VR headset and embodying your avatar, seamlessly navigating this digital landscape, interacting with colleagues and objects as though they were physically present. Research presented in Microsoft's Future of Work report suggests that meetings conducted within the metaverse may enhance entitativity, the profound sense of belonging to a collective group, a prerequisite for positive team dynamics that is often lacking in traditional video conferencing. The metaverse offers a canvas for limitless exploration and innovation, extending far beyond the realms of meetings alone. Collaborative brainstorming sessions, immersive training programs, and dynamic co-working environments are just a few of the possibilities that lie ahead, promising to revolutionize the way we perceive and engage with work itself. Embracing automation and AI. In the future, the advent of robotic process automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning will play an important role in redefining our relationship with technology. Rather than posing a threat to human employment, these advancements will become our invaluable allies, augmenting our capabilities and elevating our work experiences. The principle of the 80-20 rule dictates that 20% of our efforts yield 80% of our outcomes. However, through the intelligent application of automation, we can radically reshape this equation. Researchers at McKinsey estimate that a staggering 60% of jobs can be partially automated, liberating human minds from the shackles of monotonous, repetitive tasks and empowering us to channel our creative energies toward more meaningful and impactful endeavors. Beyond mere process automation, the integration of AI and machine learning promises to usher in a new era of intelligent process automation. Imagine having an AI assistant like Siri or Alexa at your beck and call, seamlessly managing and optimizing your workflow, enhancing productivity, and promoting a healthier work-life balance. This will definitely reduce the stress most workers are facing. Moreover, AI-driven tools will become indispensable allies in data analysis, pattern recognition, and decision-making. From uncovering valuable insights buried within vast troves of data to predicting resource utilization and anticipating shifts in customer or employee behavior, AI will empower us to make more informed, data-driven decisions that drive business success. As the automation of managerial tasks accelerates, with experts estimating that up to 65% of a manager's current responsibilities could be automated by 2025, the very nature of leadership will undergo a seismic shift. The traditional role of the manager will evolve, transitioning from a task-oriented overseer to a more holistic and nurturing presence, a career coach dedicated to empowering and guiding their team members. In this reimagined leadership paradigm, managers will become catalysts for fostering exceptional workplace experiences, particularly within the context of remote and distributed teams. They will play a pivotal role in reinforcing organizational culture, strengthening team dynamics, and cultivating a sense of belonging and connection among their team members. Furthermore, these visionary leaders will be tasked with helping employees chart their professional trajectories, encouraging them to continuously expand their skill sets and explore novel ways to provide unique value to the organization. Technology will become an enabler, allowing managers to make a profound and personal impact, empowering their teams to thrive and reach their full potential. Unleashing competitive advantage. In this rapidly evolving landscape, people who possess a potent combination of technical prowess and refined soft skills will gain a significant competitive edge. As such, proactively upskilling and reskilling to align with these emerging trends will become essential for those seeking to future-proof their careers and stand out in an increasingly demanding job market. For those with a technical background, programmers, engineers, developers, data scientists, and IT experts, the future holds immense promise. The demand for their expertise will continue to rise as organizations increasingly rely on digital transformation to drive innovation and sustain a competitive advantage. However, even non-technical professionals must prioritize cultivating digital literacy, the ability to navigate and leverage current and emerging technologies with ease. As the technological revolution continues to unfold, it will inevitably give rise to several pioneering roles and professions that didn't exist a decade ago. A report from 2020 predicts that a staggering 85% of the jobs that will exist in 2030 have yet to be invented, a testament to the breakneck pace of innovation and the boundless potential of emerging technologies. Leading the charge in this digital frontier will be roles such as virtual architects tasked with designing and curating immersive virtual environments that seamlessly blend functionality and aesthetics. Avatar creators will become indispensable, crafting digital personas that accurately reflect the unique identities and expressions of individuals navigating the metaverse. Artificial intelligence and automation experts, including AI engineers and automation engineers, will also be in high demand, spearheading the development and implementation of intelligent systems that augment human capabilities and streamline complex processes. Cybersecurity specialists will play a pivotal role in safeguarding the integrity of these digital realms, ensuring the protection of sensitive data and the resilience of critical systems. The possibilities are vast, and the opportunities for those who embrace and cultivate the skills required to thrive in this new era are boundless. The key lies in cultivating a mindset of continuous learning and adaptability, eagerly acquiring the knowledge and expertise necessary to navigate this uncharted terrain. Embracing the future. Looking ahead, it is evident that the future of careers will be defined by a harmonious convergence of human ingenuity and advanced technology. Rather than fearing the changes that lie ahead, we must embrace them as catalysts for growth, innovation, and personal fulfillment. By fostering a culture of lifelong learning and actively developing the skills required to thrive in this dynamic landscape, we can position ourselves as valuable assets, capable of navigating the complexities of the digital age with dexterity. The journey ahead will be one of collaboration and synergy, where humans and machines work together, complementing and amplifying each one's strengths. It is a future where efficiency, creativity, and well-being converge, where the monotony of repetitive tasks is alleviated, and human potential is unleashed to tackle the most complex and rewarding challenges. As we embark on this transformative odyssey, let us do so with a spirit of curiosity, resilience, and a deep commitment to personal and professional growth. For amid this technological revolution lies the promise of a more fulfilling, enriching, and rewarding future of work, one that transcends the boundaries of what we once thought possible. Technology is moving at an unprecedented pace, and it has the potential to transform the future workplace into a more efficient, enjoyable place to be. In time, we'll see the amazing transformation that will occur in our work environments. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime we post amazing videos like this.